I can bet it a lot of you are still doing this wrongly. If your meat always tastes just okay, not rich, not good, the problem might be how you are boiling it. Let me show you the home cook's way and review how professional chefs do it differently. Watch to the end to find the tricks that make all the difference. First, wash your meat thoroughly, not just once, but until it is clean enough to silence any doubt. Use a sieve or colander to drain out all the excess water. This step is crucial. It keeps your flavors concentrated and your meat tasting fresh. Now, transfer the clean meat into a pot. Add your seasonings: salt, seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, garlic, ginger, onion, and every spice your heart desires. Don't just sprinkle them, mix it well, stir with purpose. Let every piece of meat soak up that delicious flavor. Then, cover the pot and let it steam on low heat. No water yet. Let the meat release its own natural juice. This builds depth and richness in the flavor. Once the juice is out and it begins to cook in its own broth, then you can add water. Just enough to create a rich broth for your soups, sauces, and gravies. Very easy to achieve. This is how the good home cooks boil their beef before using it to make any type of food. But on the other hand, chefs in fine dining settings use this and more of classic, flavorful ingredients to enhance their food so as to get something richer, better than the regular. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, comment, and share with someone who loves good food. My name is Chef Nisi and I will love you to join my kitchen family. See you in the next one. Love you. Bye.